cage eating your house.
Right.
It's so good to be home. You and me and... Two can be as bad as...
She's laying it, I think.
Fiona! Where aren't you two a sight for sore eyes?
Get it, Twyla.
You old lucky thing. And look at you, Memphis.
Uh-oh.
How about a side of sugar for Steve? Donkey, what are you doing here? I was just taking care of your escort. Oh, you mean like sorting the mail and watering the plants? Yeah, and feeding the fish. I don't have any fish. Do that. I call that one Shrek and the other Fiona. That's Shrek's basket. Oh, who do you want? I guess you better be going. Don't you want to tell me all about the trip? How about getting Cartesian?
Well, you know, we're always happy to see you, Doctor.
But Fiona and I are married now. We need a little time, you know, to be together. Just with each other. Alone.
Say no more, say no more. You don't have to worry about a thing. I will always be here to make sure nobody bothers.
Donkey,
Yes, Rooney.
you're bothering me.
Oh, okay, all right. It's, me and Pinocchio was just going to try to catch a storm anyway.
Here just goes with it.
You'll be fine. Stop